how to see and delete Google Play Store purchase history. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is simply go to the Play Store, and once you're there, you want to go or you want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner, then go to payments and subscriptions. So if you click on there, here you can see a couple different options, and you want to go to budget and history, and here you should be able to see your purchase history. Now I haven't purchased anything, so that's why I can't really see it, but yeah, I believe yeah, you should be able to see them right here, but unfortunately you are not able to actually delete your purchase history because of course you need to have like some sort of evidence that you like paid something. Let's say you get in trouble, or like, oh, the money went out of my bank account but I didn't even buy that app, then of course they can see proof that you actually bought it in the history. So if you were to be able to delete it, that would be like weird. So unfortunately that's not possible, but yeah, this is how you can see your purchase history. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.